Hello everyone, this is Mirvat, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make this faux leather AirPod Pro case. The cut file has three different designs, the squared one, the ruffled one, and the rounded one. Today I'm going to use the squared one, so I'm going to hide the other two. Now, the design has only these two pieces, but for me, because I'm going to use brads, so I need pieces to protect the AirPod from getting scratched. I'll show you how I made them. First, I duplicated the handle piece, and then press the contour button and hide these two holes. Now, all what I have to do is to change the height of this piece to 2.2. Then, I'm going to duplicate this piece and change the height to 1.1. I need two pieces, so I'm going to duplicate this piece. Since I have another copy of these three pieces, I'm going to group them and hide them. Now, to make it, we have to choose the machine that we are using and then press make. I have to rearrange the pieces because I have a small faux leather piece. I don't have to press the mirror button because my design is symmetrical, so I'm gonna press continue. For the material, I'm going to choose faux leather paper thin. Here we don't have to change anything. Now we can prepare our mat. For the faux leather, we have to use the strong grip mat. Here, I put the smooth side down and the fluffy side up. You can use a brayer to make sure that it is sticking to the cutting mat very well. Secure your faux leather with painter's tape. Now we can load the cutting mat. Now I have to press the cutting button. For 2 passes, it took around 1 minute and 33 seconds. Before unloading the mat, make sure that the material was cut thoroughly. If not, press the cut button one more time. Since mine was cut thoroughly, I can unload the mat. Remove the painter's tape gently. And here is our design. To assemble our AirPod case, we have to put the snaps first. For the bottom part, the snap has to be from outside, and for the top part has to be from inside. So this is for the blue part, we'll do it from outside. And this is how we secure it. Make sure that they are aligned perfectly before you press the pliers. For the top part, we have to put it from inside. Make sure they are aligned and then press firmly with the pliers. To attach the brads, we have to align the 3 holes on each side. It might take time, but it's easy. Now I can put the brad. Press firmly to secure them. One more time. We have to align the holes. And then we can insert the brad. Press firmly to secure it. And that's it. Now for the handle, we have to do the same thing. We have to align the holes and insert the brads. Again, press firmly to secure it. Before I put the last one, I'm going to put the hanger. You can put it later too, but this is how I like to do it. Now I can put the last brad. Now all what I have to do is to glue these 3 extra pieces. This part is optional, but it is preferable because it will keep your AirPod protected. Here is the AirPod. Now we can test it. To charge the AirPod, no need to remove it from the case. You can charge it directly by cable or by putting it on a MagSafe charger. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments below and I will answer them. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.